Hey everyone! Thank you for clicking on my video. Let's get into this penny-inspired makeup look from your fellow small black cosplayer here. I am so excited to get into this process with all of you. Love you so much and thank you for clicking on this video. Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabamba here. So I dressed up as Penny from family. What's crazy is I almost didn't want to film this makeup look. So I'm like, how many people are really gonna, watch it? But you know what? Y'all are here because y'all are the family. So let's get into this makeup look. Bare face, but still looking cute. Let's get it started. 2 buns and a pink cardigan. 2 buns and a pink cardigan. Hearts because I really love y'all. Hearts because I really love y'all. Doing my dance because I'm feeling good. Doing my dance because I'm feeling good. I'm just feeling myself a little too much. No, there's no such thing as feeling myself too much. Because you got to bring in that confidence. You got to bring that confidence before you start your makeup look. Because you can tell how excited I am. Guys, this is the first time in this video. This is the first time I do my makeup in a month. I am not playing. I know. So let's get started. Let's get serious. All right. Gonna have some decorum. So I grabbed this green sweater, as you can see, because I don't want to have any makeup fallout. And I just tie it right there. And yeah, starting off with primer. I use the Stay Matte Primer by Rimmel London. After wash, face, and moisturizing, I love spreading primer all over my face because it helps snatch my makeup. And by snatch my makeup, I mean it keeps like the foundation in place. Now I'm going in with the To Be Manga Anime palette by Rude Cosmetics. I love this palette. Why do you ask? Because I can use it as eyeshadow, eyebrows, contour. Alright, now we're gonna go in with CoverGirl's True Blend Matte Foundation. The way I spread foundation on my face, I start with very little, so basically 1 or 2 tiny squirts, and I try to cover around my forehead, my cheeks, my chin. The reason why I'm not working in the middle area of my face yet is because I know I'm going to do eyeshadow and I don't want to fall out. And on top of that, I'm going to be using concealer, which is right here. I use the concealer by Ben Nye. Ben Nye is really that guy. Don't play with him now. Alright, as you can see, I put concealer on my eyelids and I let it dry. But during that process, I realized my cheeks were looking a little ashy. Ashy like the Gross Sisters, if you know, you know. So that's when I went in with more foundation along my cheeks. I only started with little because I didn't want to overuse it. And now with the contour, I started with lighter colors, so I'm going in with the Ben Nye concealer. Now I'm going in with the Rude Cosmetics palettes, as you saw me use before, and I'm marking darker lines along my cheekbones. Sorry, I'm actually mesmerized by the process. Wow, the blending game is too strong. I've came a long way with makeup. Anyhow, yeah, you just blend along your jawline, blend along your cheekbones, and blend a little bit on your forehead. Because the goal here is that the middle of your face is a bit lighter, and then around your face is where the darker areas are kind of going to be. That's why when it comes to highlighting, and you can see what I'm doing with the concealer here, it's on my forehead, my nose, my chin, and my eyes as well. Now I'm blending out the concealer that were around my eyelids with a brush. I haven't used a sponge in so long, guys. I'm such a brush girly. Also, a lot of professional makeup artists use brushes, so I enjoy it. Now we're going in with the 35S Sweet Oasis palette by Your Girl Morphe. So I only really use this for the dark purple. As you can see, I am putting it as kind of as close to my eyebrows as I can, where it looks still good, because it's going to help with my cut crease. After that, I went in with the Rude Cosmetics and added some pink in there. That's how you can really see that. So you can really see a difference. You can really see that it's a bit more pink and it goes into purple. Anyhow, with more of Rude Cosmetics colors, I used the shimmery nude shimmery gold color, and then I'm going to go in with like the reddish colors they have, reddish pinkish colors, to complete my cut crease. You see how the concealer came in handy when doing the eyeshadow? Concealer actually helps make your eyeshadow more pigmented. Concealer can be used as an eyeshadow primer, honestly. Now I'm doing my little dancey dance because I know I'm eating. It was really that serious. And I can see my contours looking snatched, and the look isn't even done yet. I am just so satisfied with this process. Really happy about it. You see where I have that little fallout? That is why I started off with just a little bit of foundation, and I made sure not to really work foundation in the middle of my face. You were probably wondering, why is Shorty putting foundation only around her face but not in the middle centered part? It's because I knew I'd have a little eyeshadow fallout. That's just what happens when you're baking the face. Alright, now I look up so I can blend the foundation that's like under my eyes. And yeah, I'm covering the eyeshadow with that. And now that that's finished, I'm going in with more concealer. Not a crazy amount. I'm just spreading it around. Alright. After you see that part highlighted, and as you can see on my nose, you probably thought I put more highlight, but this is actually a mixture of me mixing foundation and concealer together, so it's not too light. This is just honestly what works for me. I hope it works for you as well, but you could also just follow the process you like. And yeah. Oh, and let me know if you guys watch my videos as tutorial references or just for funsies, because I like just watching makeup for fun as well. Now we're gonna go in with the 2B Manga Anime palette as well. Right here, it helps me add dimensions to my contour. And now, with the lighter color, that is me pressing on Fenty's Pro Filter powder. And now, that little yellowish, I'm pressing on not just Fenty, but the 2B Manga Anime palette. I just wanted the light inner corner contour highlighting era. And now look at me blending all of it together. The little yellow, the contour. Wow. I basically used the little yellow, the powder from Fenty, and then the brown. And doing that along my cheeks honestly looks magical. Just wait till the blush comes in, y'all. When the blush comes in with this look, it's really gonna eat. I mean, you saw how the finale look appeared in the beginning of this video, so I really hope you enjoy. Look at the and you're gonna ask me what blush I'm using? Girl or boy, whomever is watching my video, the blush I'm using ain't even blush. Once again, I'm using the Rude Cosmetics 2B Manga Anime palette.
If you want that good stuff, you know what to do. You use my code C to the A to the R to the E to the Lena, CARELENNA. Use that code on all your Rude Cosmetics purchases and you won't regret it. You'd get 20% off all things beauty related. And I promise you, the shop has nothing but great things. It's got makeup palettes for eyeshadow, highlight, contour, blush, including brushes, and so much more. You should check it out. They have their discounts, and you can add my code on top of that to get you a little something good for the holidays. I love Rude Cosmetics. All their products work fabulously on my complexion, and you should use it too. Yeah, as you can see, I'm blending my blush, which is from the 2B Manga Anime palette by Rude Cosmetics. As I told you, I love this palette so much. I know it may sound like I'm glazing and hyping it up too much, but I'm not. I promise you. It's great for contour. It's great for blush. It's great for eyeshadow. It's great for all things beauty related. And you're gonna love this. It's affordable. What? I saw this palette cost about $30 or a little less. That's 30 Canadian dollars. So if you're from the US, that's a lot less. And with my code, you'll be getting a good percentage off. So don't walk, run. Don't play about Rude Cosmetics, okay? Now I'm just doing my contour with my favorite palette. Once again, I'm gonna leave my code on the screen. So you guys screenshot it, so you guys save it, so you guys remember it. Carolina. It's kind of iconic because it's all my usernames across all my platforms. Just playing around with my contour here and talking about the greatness that Rude Cosmetics is. Anyhow, right here, I think most of my base is done. All I'm really doing is patting down my makeup. I pat down with the brush, and now I'm playing just a little bit more. Now I'm just trying to make sure I grab every little area, covered in powder, covered in the right amount of contour. This has been my longest base routine, because a lot of my makeup videos be around 8 minutes, but this has been the longest base routine for a very specific reason. I was taking my time and contouring to the gods. I usually don't contour that much, but this time it was really fun. From here, you can really see what I'm doing to make that line sharper. On top of my blush, call me a little insane, but I blended out a little dark eyeshadow. That dark eyeshadow from the Rude Cosmetics 2B Manga Anime palette was used for my contour, right? I put that little dark brown on top of the blush, and it made a really sharp contour. Two really sharp contour lines on both sides of my cheekbones. Both sides of my cheeks. And I even have to put a little bit of contour where my eyes and eyebrows are, right? I wanted this base to be perfect, and I truly believe it's the best base I've ever done in my entire existence. I'm covering the smiling lines and everything. I didn't want a single crease, not a single crack, not a single uneven spot. I wanted my face covered in makeup so it looks airbrushed. When people use the term airbrush makeup, they mean, wow, it's just so flawlessly matte. Dewy makeup is cool too, but I'm such a matte makeup girly. You can really see everything coming together. I do feel like my natural skin is kind of clear, but having the right amounts of foundation, powders, and contour, it just makes clear, you know what I mean? It just makes your skin look better. You can have clear skin, but just like that right amount of powder. Oh, and right here, I used the original powder by RCMA. That's just a white baking powder you put on your face when you're done your full makeup process, just so it really does not move, especially after setting spray. And right here, you can see me playing around with my graphic liner. The graphic liner in question is the Athena palette by You Can Be. I bought this online and absolutely adore it. I've had it for almost 2 years now. Oh my gosh! Almost 2 years of Athena! And there's so much paint left in that palette. I like using it to play around with my eyeshadow so it gets a little bit more poppin'. And yeah, one of the finishing touches were me putting eyelashes and doing my lips. As for lips, the nude color you see, I don't remember what color that was, I'm gonna be honest, but you're gonna use nude color, and then you're gonna use like a brown gloss. I used Fenty's hot chocolate color, and then I went in with brown lip liner, and then this was the results. And then I went in with a clear gloss, so I wanted it popping more. And I'm like, I need more chocolate on my lips. So then I just outlined my lips just one more time, a little harsher. And then I was really happy with that. And that was the end of my makeup tutorial. The lips are eating. The eyeshadow is eating. The graphic liner is eating. The base is eating. And just before this video ends, I just want to let you know, you will need a great fragrance to match the great makeup look you just created. And that is why I'm partnering up with Shea and Blue. Use my code MissCarolina-20 off to get a percentage off all Shea and Blue fragrances. I love their latest launch of Violet Tobacco. I use it almost every day because it smells so good. People tell me all the time. So don't forget to check out their website.
Thank you everyone once again for watching my makeup video. I love it. I think it's one of my best makeup looks. Honestly, big inspo to this creator right here. Because when I saw that video, I said, I want to recreate that look for sure. Yeah, so another look in the Proud Family series. Y'all saw me do the hair tutorial from when I did like Oscar. Y'all saw me do last year again. I did Penny. Dijonay, that one's on my Instagram. And yeah, I guess I just have, yeah, I did pretty much all the girls. All the girls. I really just have Zoe left. Zoe, maybe one day I'll do Trudy. We shall see.